What if you could turn on all the light with a sole flick of your fingers and shut off all the noise? Just listen for a moment. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? Can you feel the freedom? What if you could fade out any distraction to focus, reflect, and rise? What if you could take a different angle? Be the clock, control time and space. Because if you want to push the limits, you need to turn everything, turn the world upside down to be the game changer. For us, change is not a matter of perspective. At Audi, change is the transformation of perspective. We take mobility beyond imagination. This is our time.